Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a haul, some bits from the range and hobbycraft. So I'm going to start off with what I picked up from the range. They've still got some Easter bits in, so I thought I'd pick up a few last bits. So I found these foam stickers. I think they are all, I want to say they're all chicks in now. You get 50 for £1. Then the sheep, again 50 for £1. I thought they were quite nice, even for a little one to add to his Easter bonnet and things. So I picked up those. Then picked up some of this. I found this in a blue last time. I'm not 100% sure how much it is. I think £1, £1.99 I think. So I picked it up in the pink this time. It's glass silk. It's just really glittery. I thought it'd be quite nice to send out happy mail. You could tie that round, or you could add it to projects. You could even crochet something with it. Not quite sure, maybe some flowers or things. But yeah, so I picked up that. It's 112 meters on there, it says. So I thought that. Then picked up these stickers. I got those holographic ones, and then those. Yeah, so I got that. Next I wanted a container to put some sequins and beads in, so I managed to find this one, $3.29. So I picked up that. Next I found this nano tape. I've never used this before, but I did see, I kind of researched on, like, looked up some videos, and you can make like little I was thinking of little charms. I don't know how you do it, but this isn't the kit, this is just the tape, so maybe I need to buy the kit, because I saw someone do it with like a straw, and you put it in and it blows up into like a little bubble, and then you can make charms and things out of it. I'm not 100% sure. Like I said, this is all new to me. I think the little one wanted to try it as well. This is yellow. They had so many different colours as well, so maybe I might go back and maybe get a clear one, or yeah, you can add different things to them as well. I know I did see this on Amazon. They had like a kit. But if anyone's got any ideas, or they've used this before and they know how to use it for different craft things, yeah, let me know. Leave it in the comment down below. Or if you've got a video on it, that'd be even amazing. Just leave a link to that. I'll go and check it out. So I thought I'd give that a go, because I've not tried that. And then the last thing I picked up was this. I thought this would be so cool, because we are going to Disney over Easter. It's Disneyland Paris colouring book. And again, I will do a flip through of this in a different video. So stay tuned for that. I will do a video showing the different images in that. And then the last few bits are from Hobbycraft. So I found these two things first. So Sizzix had quite a few things that were in the sale. So I got this one, which is a jar die. And it comes with a load of flowers. You've got the jar, and then you've got like to make it into, I presume, like a shaker. I'm trying to see how many dies it comes. 17 dies. So you get the little label, the heart, all the little flowers, and then the two jars. And I'm hoping this large one will fit these in, because I found these were in the sale as well. I want to say, so this die set here, if I can find my receipt. Oh gosh, I'm throwing things everywhere. So the die, the flower jar die, was £5, so that was £5. I thought that was really good for Sizzix dies. And then the domes, you get 6 in there, and they were £4, so I picked up those. Thing I picked up was this. I've been wanting a stamp. I know you get Misty, I think is certain make, and I know Tonics have one, but I saw this in there. This is the Sizzix make, and like I said, it's a stamping, so you can do stamping on there. It's got like the backing, I think it's magnetic, and it's stencil tool as well. So I think you add your stencils to this piece and it holds it in place. I have not tried this out, so I don't know how it's going to be, but I thought I'd give that a go. This was reduced as well. It was originally £53 and it was reduced to £26.50. So I thought that's quite good. And hopefully that'll be what I want it for. I mainly want it for stamping. I don't really have any stencils, so I won't obviously use it for that to start off with, but maybe it might get me into like stenciling things. So yeah, give that a go. As always guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will catch you in my next one. Take care guys, bye.